I saw something online yesterday. I saw crayfish. So we Nigerians say crayfish. And that crawfish that they were roasting and calling it crawfish, like something crawling. Please, I want to know, is it crawfish or crayfish? Because is there any difference? What's the difference between crawfish and crayfish? Is it that we Nigerians, we have been pronouncing it wrongly? Because sometimes when I saw, or sometimes when you see things online, you're like, ha! Yeah, don't be saying the Nigerian thing be this one. Crawfish, crayfish. Crawfish, crayfish. Why is it called crayfish? Is it crawfish or is crayfish? Because I saw, okay, I was watching someone's video yesterday, and then I saw that they were boiling, these companies that, or these people that used to boil seafood, you know, they use orange juice, they use a lot of things and put it there, and then the crawfish, according to them, is bigger. Me, I was just saying that is the bigger size of crayfish. It's like prawns. It's like baby crayfish. So me, I'm not asking, is it that we are the one that named the fish crayfish? Was it originally called crawfish, like crawling? I think crawling, crawfish, crayfish. But crayfish, all these crayfish that we see, when they are alive, do they crawl? They don't crawl. Please, oh, before I go and make mistake, because I've been thinking about this thing since last night. Like, is this crawfish? Could it be that Nigerians has been pronouncing it in a very wrong way? Is it crayfish or crawfish? If it's not crawfish, why is crayfish called crayfish? And why is this fish called crawfish? And this fish that is crawling, is it gotten from the river also? That one will be a funny question, no? Abi? That one a funny question. This crawfish, because it crawls. It used to crawl. The fish crawls. Fish cannot be crawling inside water now, inside the ocean, inside the sea. They swim. They swim. Other? Sometimes I just feel like I have some answers. And I want to ask people. I know that you asked me to go to Google. I don't want to go to Google. If you go to Google, you get more confused. These days, when anything you Google, you get more confused. After you have read 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different people commenting or writing about the same topic, you get confused. Some people will kick against it. I don't like to go to Google. I don't like it. Because Google is like a school itself. Because you get different opinion, and at the end of the day, in conclusion, you are confused. You don't know what to think about. So guys, I'm asking you, what is the difference between crayfish and crawfish? Crayfish, crawfish. Why is it called crawfish? And when people are boiling this seafood, they boil it alive. Like they throw it inside boiling, like boiling water, very hot water that they put a lot of ingredients, fruits, different types of fruits, different types of juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, orange juice. They just add everything with pepper, with spices. Oh God, a lot of spices. Don't tell me that you think that I would not like to try that. I would like to try it. I would like to try that seafood. But first of all, before I go ahead to try it, is it crayfish? Is that crayfish? Is it crawfish? What we refer today as crayfish, could it be crawfish? And we Nigeria, we name it crayfish. Crayfish. Could it be that this thing is crawfish and we named it crayfish? Because we Nigerian, everything is possible with us. And no matter how you went to school, No matter how educated you are, you see Nigerians, PhD holders, master, doctors of spirit, doctors of this, that. That thing that they know that this thing is called like this in Nigeria, the name can never change. No matter how educated we are, or they are. They can never change that name. If it is crawfish, and all of you that went to Harvard, all of you that went to school, like we now, we went to night school, you have not corrected us. That will not be fair. So let me hear you. Is it crayfish or crawfish?